the beauty of TRUEBROW is that you don't have to figure out anything. So for example, that question of how long do I have to wait before I launch the TRUEBROW services is answered in your online portal, in your salon owner orientation portal, where every question imaginable is answered. You have this incredible direction and focus. It's like, we couldn't possibly have thought of another question because we've been doing this for a very long time. So we know what the questions are. So our recommended time for that is after the first hands-on masterclass. So 8 weeks online, 8 weeks with your live online classes, which of course continue on after your hands-on masterclass. You jump on a class once a week and continue to learn and grow. But we always want you to feel confident before you start doing TRUEBROW and launch it in the salon. One of the most beautiful things that you get is the complete turnkey marketing solution, the strategy, the organic marketing strategy that you get when you start with TRUEBROW, which we call TRUEBROW Money. Because that's really about you, even if you're a startup or you're a seasoned salon owner, this is where you actually just absolutely take TRUEBROW out into your social platforms, you take it into your email list, and everything is done for you, written for you, everything's put together for you, so that you just simply cut and paste. So your focus is narrow, you're focusing on skill, getting better, and really you have a strategy. You have a step-by-step strategy that really supports you to get your marketing budget down to zero, so that your referrals are through the roof, your clients are doing all of your marketing for you, because you're creating something magnificent. You're giving women that instant gratification, that instant beauty that they want. And our whole focus is on getting you to that place. So we will constantly inspire, we're constantly encouraging you, we're constantly offering you support to get there. So in answer to that question, it's 8 weeks. After the 8 weeks, you're ready to begin doing the TRUEBROW services in the salon, launching promotional evenings. It's so exciting. It's just an exciting brand. It's a brand that has a lot of dignity and grace and elegance and timelessness that surrounds it. And it really does change the women that come on board. The ones that really want to stand out and to be really authentic and real in their location and in their, for their clients and for their audience, they love it, and they really do change. They just become a better version of who they were before they came, and they know that. They come in with that yearning, that longing to be great, but not great with an ego, that's the greatest part. They come in and they become more and more humble. And I was sharing something about that earlier today, because they earn their stripes, they earn their skill, they become very humble, and they really become extraordinary people. I adore them. I love working with them. I love watching them flourish and thrive. And so it's a beautiful thing to watch, and it's an adventure. So launching 8 weeks.